and welcome back to another Scratch video. Today we're gonna do something that you may not actually use in your game, but is really essential, and that is scrolling text. Normally you don't have that option when you do this. Just immediately just pops up. Example, if you do like hi, how are, I don't know. Look, it just like pops up there. So you can see these two variables here. That is what we're gonna be using today. To make this, that is just the letter and the text. The text is the current text it will show, and the letter is the letter of the text. So for this we do need to make a block and make it like way display. Actually, yeah, display should be good. Gonna do this number or text. Gonna call it message. Okay, gonna be slightly short too. Just to set some things, let's just set letter to 0, but we want text to be nothing here, not 0. This is nothing here, so we need nothing there. And then what we're gonna do is start this. We're gonna do repeat, and we're gonna do here length of message. So what this is gonna do is repeat all the things inside this until the entire length of the message is done. So what should it actually do? First, let's change the letter by 1. So each time it's executed, it goes to the next letter, next letter, next letter, and so on. To actually make it work, we need to set our text to join the actual text, the previous text, and the message. Oh, sorry, it is a message, but we need to do the letter of the message. It's going to be letter of message. Now if you do this letter 1 of apple, it's going to actually print out A here. So it's the number 1. So letter of message should be the text. I will explain it more detail as we finish. Then what we're going to do is this normal say, you're going to put here text, this text right here. Then the next thing is that we're gonna like wait for some time, but this is gonna be really little time. So 0.002, I think that's okay. Then we're gonna do say outside, and then again this is supposed to be empty. Now you've made yourself the engine required for this scrolling text to work, I think, because this is my first time making my own things. So if I do display product system, why not? Okay, we encountered a problem. It does actually scroll through the text, but the problem is it looks as if that before the text is ended it just disappears. Now I think if I put a wait 1 second here, it should solve that. Let's do it. Yeah, that's work. Good. Now since we have the text engine finished, excuse me, I'm gonna explain it to you what actually is going on here. So we are defining display, and message is a string, right? A number or a string. So set letter. Letter is a variable to 0, and set text to nothing. So there's going to be a string variable. Now we're going to repeat length of message, the text right here. This will be the message. Repeat until the length of message. We're going to do change letter by 1 every single time. So before starting it will be 0, P1, R2, O3, and so on. This space is also included as a letter. Then what we're going to do is set text to join the text. Text here means the previous text which has already been printed to the letter. So here 1, P. So there's no other text behind, so it's going to add letter 1 of the message here. So it will print P. Then after the text is the P, now it's going to print the previous text with the letter 2 of the message. So it's going to keep doing it like that until we have the message. And to actually show the message, we print say the text. And we're going to wait for some time to actually show the scrolling. And then after all of this, it's going to wait 1 second and like show it. And then say emptiness, it's going to be that it's going to close the quotations. Hope it has helped you to make your own game. Thanks for watching.